In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MT5 Economic Calendar. The Economic Calendar in Metatrader 5 is your built-in roadmap for major market-moving events. It highlights upcoming macroeconomic releases, the countries and currencies they affect, and their expected impact. You'll also see the previous reading, the market forecast, and, once it's released, the actual value. That combination helps you anticipate volatility, avoid surprises, and plan your trades around key moments like inflation updates or central bank decisions. Let's open the calendar on desktop, whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. Launch Metatrader 5, then press Ctrl+T, or go to the View menu and choose Toolbox to reveal the panel at the bottom of your screen. Click the Calendar tab. You'll now see a timeline of scheduled events with their time, the affected currency or country, an impact level, and data values. This layout gives you a quick snapshot of what's coming and when. Understanding the columns is crucial. Time shows the release moment, based on your broker's server time, so be aware if it differs from your local time. Currency or country tells you whose economy is in focus, which is especially useful if you trade pairs linked to that region. The event name describes the data being released. Impact level is usually color-coded, with red often indicating high impact. Finally, previous forecast and actual illustrate how the new data compares to what the market expected. The difference between forecast and actual often drives the size of the price move. High-impact events like non-farm payrolls, CPI inflation, and interest rate decisions are the usual catalysts for strong volatility. To focus on what matters to you, right-click inside the calendar panel to filter. You can choose specific countries or currencies, select only low, medium, or high-impact events, and adjust the date range for today, the week ahead, or a custom window. This keeps the feed relevant to the assets and sessions you trade and helps you prepare your risk and timing before the numbers hit. You can also visualize these events directly on your price chart. In the calendar panel, right-click an event and choose Show on Chart. MT5 will place markers or vertical lines at the release times. Use this view to study how price reacted to previous releases and to plan for the next one, whether that means tightening stops, reducing position size, or simply waiting for the initial volatility to settle. With these tools, the MT5 Economic Calendar becomes a practical companion for smarter trade planning and better timing.